So in this video I'm going to be showing VLOOKUP and the XLOOKUP equivalent formula, and I've got here a table of solar system objects for use as an example. So I'll click on this cell to put in a list of the objects. We're going to data validation, select list, click on the source, and then the source is over here, column A2 to A19. Just check that's okay. Move back. Then select one of the objects, choose this. Then put a few categories. Go with average temperature to start with. Choose a couple others, I guess. Minimum and maximum. I'll put them. So go to the formula and select the VLOOKUP. And the lookup value is going to be from the cell with the list, which is Q4. The table array is going to be the whole table where the data is A2 to N19, and the column index number is the column that contains the average temperature, which is number 2, and false is for an exact match. So there we got the correct average temperature for Mars. Let's copy this formula and paste it into the other two cells. One thing needs to be changed here, which is the column number. Column 3 for minimum temperature. Let's check that's right. Yep, that's done. And then column 4 for the maximum, because that's the number in the table of, so let's now do the equivalent XLOOKUP in a minute. First of all, get the list again, A2 to N19. It is the source list of select the same object again. I will Mars in this case. And now the formula is XLOOKUP, and here you got the lookup value. Well, it's Q5 for this cell. The lookup array now is kind of is the column that contains the value from A2 to A19, and the return array for the equivalent is going to be B2 to B19, because there's no column number on XLOOKUP like there is on VLOOKUP. So you need to, if you just want the one column, you select an array of the one column, and that's given the same answer as -47, the same as the VLOOKUP. So you see the VLOOKUP one had a column number. XLOOKUP has a array in the column array instead of a column number. So that's how you do a single value of a single column, the same as with VLOOKUP, the equivalent formula for. And then with XLOOKUP, you're also able to return numerous values from the same XLOOKUP. So if we change this to D19, it will have all three values. As you can see, the selected array there from it's highlighted, and yep, when we enter that, we've got all three values from the one XLOOKUP, and it's greyed out in those two cells. It can't be changed. It's based on the first cell, and it's returned the three values, and yeah. So it's given the same answer of those individual VLOOKUP. Just change the object to Saturn and see if that works. And yeah, the same answer again. And take a look at another one, Earth, and that's again same answer is the equivalent formula for that.